Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a banking kiosk works, step by step. First, the user starts the session by tapping the screen of the banking kiosk and selecting the required banking service. This allows the machine to begin interacting with the customer in a simple and guided way. Next, the kiosk performs identity verification. Depending on the system, the user may insert a bank card, enter an account number, type a PIN, or use biometric verification such as a fingerprint. In this way, the kiosk makes sure that the customer is properly authenticated before moving ahead. After that, the customer selects the service they want from the menu. For example, the kiosk may offer cash deposit, check deposit, fund transfer, statement printing, bill payment, or account inquiry. This step helps the machine understand exactly what transaction needs to be completed. Then, the user enters the required transaction details. These details may include the account number, destination account, transfer amount, bill information, or any other data needed to process the selected banking service accurately. Once the details are entered, the banking kiosk sends the request to the bank's secure network for processing. At this stage, the banking system validates the request, checks the account information, and confirms whether the transaction can be completed safely. Afterward, the kiosk accepts or dispenses items depending on the service selected. For example, it may accept cash or checks for deposit, or it may print and dispense a receipt, account statement, or other document requested by the user. Then, the kiosk shows a confirmation message after the transaction is completed successfully. At the same time, it prints the receipt if needed and stores the record securely in the banking system for future reference. Finally, the session ends securely. The kiosk logs the user out, closes the session, and protects the customer's information so that the next user cannot access any previous details. So, in simple words, a banking kiosk works by starting a user session, verifying identity, allowing service selection, collecting transaction details, processing the request through the bank network, handling deposits or document printing, confirming the transaction, and then ending the session securely. As a result, banking kiosks make services faster, more convenient, secure, available 24/7, and helpful for reducing queue time in branches. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.